So here we are on the Grove Suite Sun Deck. I've been given permission to do some video for all you folks out there. This is the wonderful host that you will see when you come to when you check in. So this area is obviously for the suites only. Again, they've been giving me permission to come in and do some video. Of course, this is again on the icon. This is the general area for the suites. So we get a chance to view forward. Now a lot of your average passengers do not have the privilege of coming up here, but since I am an influencer or so, they've been giving me access to do this video. So there isn't a lot of people up here today, mostly because it's we're in Cozumel. A lot of the folks are off the vessel. We soon will be departing. Alright, so let's take a walk upstairs here and see what it's like. The best views are obviously up here in the suite areas. You get the best views of the surroundings. Look at that. Okay, let's take a nice round view. So continuing our tour of the Grove, as it is called. Again, this is the VIP area that I have been given permission to do. Get all the great views from up here. Look at that. Cozumel, one of the two locations that you can disembark to do your excursions or just walk around, do some shopping, or drink some tequila, whatever works for you. Okay, let's keep going. Much up here apparently than a bunch of chairs, but still you get the ultimate views of the vessel. Alright, so as we continue walking around up here in the Grove area, not a lot of you individuals up here, but they're probably just chilling, but it's a great chance to get some really good views of the vessel from one of the higher areas. Icon of the seas. What a vessel. Alright, so we continue our walk. It's one of the fine individuals that take care of the area while you're sleeping or whatever it is you're doing. Excursion, any of those fun things. That view. Whee! This is how the high people live. Nice. So here we go, up in the Grove, and just finish our tour up on the main decks. Take a quick look at some of the cuisines that they have here. It is around 4 o'clock in the afternoon, so they're between meals. So there's just little finger foods. They're getting ready for this is their version, the VIP version of the buffet. All right, here we go. Let's go ahead and exit out. We'll thank our hosts very much for allowing us to come in, and thank you for letting us video and pictures.